So hello everyone, good afternoon. Again, we have another problem. So if a radioactive element has half life of 3 hours, then x grams of the element dwindle to x over 2 grams after 3 hours. If a nuclear has 400 grams of that radioactive element, find the amount of the radioactive material after 12 hours. So since nalang siya nga one number formula niya to x is over 2 grams after 3 hours. So, ito makita ko, bilang yung amount after 12 hours. So, ang diakagari nga, if a nuclear has 400 grams daw of the radioactive element, pakita na to ang yang one, ang yang amount after sa 12 hours. So, 400 over 2, when nagwa ko rin, ang yang equivalent na ni is 200 grams sa hours. And next, apagay mo siya i-divide. 200 grams divided 2 was 100. 6 hours na yung total. Grams after 6 hours. So, after 9 hours, 100 grams over 2, 50 grams after 9 hours. Then, next is, from mabaya ko kayang 12 hours, divide sa nato ang 50 grams over 2 was 25 grams after 12 hours. So, ito na ba is 25 grams after 12 hours. So, the third D.